Hi, I'm Nathaniel and I take Spanish. One of the things I liked most about Spanish at Brooklyn Tech was the emphasis put on speaking the language. It really helped immerse the class into the new language, and learning a new language isn't just about grammar and conjugation. Another thing I really liked about Spanish at Brooklyn Tech was the culture projects that we had done, because it really helped put learning the language into context by learning about the countries in which it's spoken. And overall, I found Spanish to be a really rewarding and fun class to take.
Salut, je m'appelle Matvey and I take French. In French, you will not only learn all about the beautiful language, but about the various customs and cultures of different French-speaking countries. Some of my favorite moments from this class are when we made a fashion magazine to show off different French styles, and when our teacher brought in macarons in order to really get a taste of French culture. This class didn't just teach me how to speak a language, but how to understand a culture too. Au revoir!
你好. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Al-Jami and I am a senior in AP Chinese. Throughout these years of taking Chinese, I've learned so much more than just speaking and writing. I've learned about unique traditions, customs, and food, and so much more. And as someone who struggled with Chinese in the beginning, I felt so supported by teachers who always made themselves available to help, as well as the various group activities that they gave us to do. Whether it was making our own comic strips, podcasts, or even our own short films, all of these activities not only kept me engaged and interested, but also allowed me to make great friends in the process. My favorite memory is when we were trying out Chinese tongue twisters in class, and when we were all laughing at how we were struggling together. Overall, taking Chinese for these past 4 years has been a very fun and welcoming experience.
Ciao! Come stai? That means hi, how are you in Italian? My name is Jessica Lin and I'm a student from Italian 3, a class where I learn more than how to read and write Italian. I learn about the culture, whether it be traditions, holidays, history, or food. And as someone who personally struggles with learning new languages, I find it really helpful that my teachers pace their lessons and do group work such as making storybooks, maps, and other crafts. I actually developed my interest in painting in that class as well, as you can see in the background. And my favorite memory was when my teacher brought in il panettone, an Italian sweetbread originating from Milan, to celebrate Christmas with us. Overall, the class is really fun, memorable, welcoming, and enriching.
Guten Tag, ich heiße Caitlin. I'll be talking about the German 1 class here at Tech. You will start off German class just like any other language classes at Tech, learning about the alphabet, the pronunciations, culture, and basic introductions. If English is one of your native languages, you'll learn that German is not as hard as you think. There are a lot of words in English that has similar pronunciations as German. Don't be too intimidated because after a month in the German class, you kind of start to get the hang of it. We also have a very supportive teacher, Herr Peterson, that you will learn a lot from, and he will go pretty slowly and will answer any questions that you might have in the class. I hope that you're really interested in our class and decide to roll in German.